Now, Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Zhaoxu says the country has brought back over 1,300 of its nationals stranded abroad since the outbreak began. He was speaking in a briefing on international cooperation in fighting the disease. Ma said the Chinese government has shared timely information and cooperated closely with the global community, and he pledged continued efforts in the spirit of openness, transparency and responsibility. And to explore further on that, let's talk to our reporter Lu Sirui here in Beijing. Hello there, Sirui. What more can you tell us on this morning's press conference?
Yes, Dongning. So the outbreak of the COVID-19 has been a major challenge to both China and the world in terms of the speed it spread and the ways to contain it. And since the outbreak, China has been receiving a lot of helps from the international communities. And the officer in this conference, in the press conference, has expressed the appreciation of Chinese people to these international helps. For example, the Pakistan has donated all their masks, and Myanmar has sent to us their rice, and Mongolia has sent us 30,000 sheep. And in response to these international helps, China has also working closely with international communities like WHO in the research fields to figure out more efficient way to curb and to prevent the diseases. And China has, the officer reported that China has revealed the genetic sequence in the early stage of the outbreak and worked closely with the international community in the research field. And also China holds panel discussions and remote consultation for more than 20 times, and that in the future China will also continue to keep this open and transparent in sharing information about the therapeutic plan and the diagnosis and treatment protocol. And the official says China will also provide technical support to the countries in need. The official also said the faith right now in this situation of all the countries is intertwined, and the interests are closely linked. This is an international war that needs collaboration and cooperation. Let's take a listen.
The Chinese government places high importance on protecting the security, health, and well-being of foreign nationals in China. In different parts of China, multilingual information services are being provided to foreign nationals through various channels to address their needs in daily life, epidemic prevention, and medical treatment. The global epidemic situation is now rapidly evolving. China is also working actively with other countries in the spirit of openness, transparency, and responsibility. We will work with the countries concerned and promote cooperation in areas such as diagnostics, therapeutics, drugs, and vaccine development. We will never forget the assistance given by the members of the international community. We will provide support and assistance to countries in need to the best of our ability.